If you are tired of spending money on store-bought cleaners that either don't work or are packed with chemicals, this video is for you. Today I'm sharing 5 DIY cleaning solutions that I've personally used, and trust me, this works. But the best part is that almost all of the ingredients that we're gonna be using are probably sitting in your kitchen right now. But before we dive in, if you love natural cleaning tips, DIY solutions, and want to have a healthier and cleaner home, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community. It really helps the channel and means a lot. So now let's get into it. Let's kick things off with a total bathroom lifesaver. My go-to for tough soap Scum. For this DIY cleaner you will need 1 cup of white vinegar and 1 cup of dish soap. Warm up the vinegar in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Then mix it with the dish soap in a spray bottle and shake it gently. Spray it all over the glass shower doors, tap or tiles. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes and then scrub and rinse. This DIY solution works wonders because the vinegar breaks down mineral deposits and soap scum, while the dish soap cuts through grease and body oils. Together they make the glass sparkle again. Just a quick reminder guys, don't use this on marble or granite. Vinegar isn't safe for natural stone. Now this one is a household staple. I call it the everywhere spray. For this cleaning solution I'm going to mix 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, and a few drops of lemon or lavender essential oil. This step is optional but it smells amazing. This spray is perfect for wiping down kitchen counters, microwave doors, fridge shelves, and even doorknobs. You can use it daily on your bench tops after cooking, especially if you are cutting onions or garlic. It cuts through grease and neutralizes smells fast. Again, no vinegar on granite or marble. For those surfaces, use something pH natural. If your grout lines are looking great or dirty, this next one is a game changer. Here is what to mix. Half a cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and a small amount of dish soap. This step is optional, but it's amazing for extra cleaning power. Apply it to the grout with an old toothbrush and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, scrub it and rinse it. You can use this on your kitchen, bathrooms and shower floors where the grout had turned brown. It really does an amazing job. Just make sure to avoid using peroxide on natural stone tiles. It can be too harsh. This one is not just effective, it is also oddly satisfying. Sprinkle some coarse salt onto the wooden cutting board. Then grab half a lemon and use it to scrub the surface in circular motions. The salt acts as a natural abrasive, lifting stain and food residue, while the lemon's acidity helps kill bacteria and neutralize odors. This is one of my favorite ways to refresh the cutting board after prepping strong smelling foods like onions or fish. It leaves it clean, smooth, and smelling fresh. I like doing this once a week after cutting meat or garlic. It refreshes the board naturally without harsh chemicals. Now let's wrap it up with a floor cleaner that's safe, simple, and smells great. For this DIY you will need 3 liters of warm water, half a cup of white vinegar, and a few drops of essential oil. You can use eucalyptus or lemon, it depends on your preference. Mix it all in a bucket and use it to mop tile, vinyl, and laminate floors. It removes dirt, neutralizes odors, and leaves a clean finish without residue. You can use this solution right after hosting a barbecue, food spills, or muddy footprints on your kitchen floors. Your floors will look clean and smell fresh. Just a tip guys, don't use this solution on hardwood floors, as too much water and vinegar can damage the wood. For hardwood, use a damp mop with a few drops of castile soap instead. So there you have it guys, 5 DIY cleaners that actually get the job done. They are natural, budget friendly, and super effective. And let me know in the comments if you have a homemade cleaner that works wonders. I'm always looking for great tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.